With the significant increase in the past couple of months, taking care of eyes has never been so important. With problems be like dry eyes, strains, redness, itching and drain vision. It's clear that our eyes are biggest loser of these situations. In this video, I am going to share you easy way, safe eye drops along with top 3 foods to give the eye much needed relief. So without further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to Always Be Fit. Starting with number 5, eye drops. If your screen time is high and keep eye drops handy is a wise decision. However, with so many options in the Indian market, each coming itself 100% natural, choosing the safe and one can be tasked itself. However, the problem like preservatives used, there are two preservatives mainly used in this eye drops. Some studies suggest that their long time effect may show the side effects. When eye drops can be prepared without using any chemical preservatives. Ayurveda classical eye drop called Netra Surdarshan ARK, which is distillery of roots of the secret Plaz tree. It is an effective medicine for dry, itchy and weak eyes. Next on the list is eye protection. Prevention is the better than cure, but mostly a time it is not feasible to prevent ourselves from screen. An eye protection thin film layer are present on the laptop and phones. And if you not have that, there are 5 kinds of screen which protect the laptop and screen phones which are available in Indian market. First is screen protector are the one which are focused solely reduce the eye strain. Although if you want to buy it, so you can get any of the site online and it is also available on the markets. Second option is privacy filter. Even there are primary use it to hide your privacy on the adjacent feed, but it also reduce strain and reduce brightness of the screen comparatively. There are more profitable. And the third and last one are the blue light filter, which reduce the damaging blue light of the device. So blue light filter nowadays are coming in feature of laptops and phones. There is no need to buy it. So you can choose only from the two of first and second. Coming to the third in the list, which is eye relaxation. After a long session on the screen, I feel dry, strain to calm eye down, get instant cooling effect. There are some easy and effective way. Probably the easiest of them is to cut 2 rounds of cucumber and apply on the two eyes closed, keeping lying down for a 10 minutes and then the cucumber will spoil slowly. Another option is to soak cotton in pure rose water and keep it over the eye being anti-stent refresh. If you ask me, I will suggest rose water technique is much better. Also, applying saliva over the eye just after waking up is just inexpensive but also medicinal effect. Just take some of your saliva on the little finger and apply it like a kajal. It will help you a lot to maintain your eye protection. So moving toward, just like to get fruits, we water the roots of the plant. The root of the eye lie in the feet. Ayurveda identified 4 major nerves that connect to the eye. If we take proper care of our feet, results of it on the eyes. Most effective is to massage your feet with mustard oil over the sole of the feet before lying on the bed tonight. Finally, let's talk about foods. Balanced diet is the right choice, but there are some foods that are exactly beneficial for your eyes. In my understanding, that foods that are beneficial to our eyes are desi ghee of cow, moong dal, and amla. If you keep your food in our regular diet, maybe your eye disorder will start to vanish. So please follow it. Following these 5 practices, you can greatly reduce the strain and the potential problems associated with the eyes. If you try to do all 5 steps, it may be better than following one or two. And so that's all for today's. And if you want that I make video more like this type of content, so please like my video, and if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe and click on the bell icon, and always be fit.